Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dino Flashlight is probably one of the most fun and functional gadgets you can get for your kids. This awesome flashlight isn't just a light source, it's a gateway to adventure, sparking imagination with its cool dinosaur design. Whether it's for bedtime stories, camping trips, or simply exploring the backyard at night, this flashlight is sure to become a favorite. Number 5. Brainstorm Toys Dinosaur Flashlight and Projector. Introducing the Dinosaur Flashlight and Projector from Brainstorm Toys. This amazing toy brings the prehistoric world to life right in your room. It's perfect for young dinosaur enthusiasts. This projector torch displays incredible images of dinosaurs. Simply point it at the wall or ceiling, and watch as the dinosaurs come to life. It's a fun and educational experience. The flashlight is easy to use and measures 11 centimeters long with a 3 centimeters diameter. The slides are also easy to handle. It's designed for ages 3 and up. This toy is a great way to introduce children to STEM concepts. It encourages curiosity and learning about the natural world. It's a fun way to learn about dinosaurs. This dinosaur flashlight and projector is the perfect gift for any child who loves dinosaurs. It provides hours of entertainment and sparks their imagination. Get yours today. What we like. This projector torch is perfect for sparking your child's imagination with its dinosaur projections. It's compact and easy to carry, making it a great travel companion. If you are looking for a fun and educational toy that brings dinosaurs to life in your child's room, you should consider this one. What people say. The flashlight is very cute and my son loves it. It is easy for my toddler to use. The flashlight is a great size for little hands. Number 4. TIGTECGAME Triceratops LED Headlamp. Introducing the Triceratops Headlamp, a unique design from TIGTECGAME. It's the perfect gift for any dinosaur lover, built to last and ready for adventure. This headlamp features 4 modes: constant light, strobe, colorful, and even a roar sound. There's also a mute button. Kids will absolutely love it. The head strap is fully adjustable, fitting both kids and adults comfortably. It's ideal for running, camping, fishing, hiking, and more. Designed for children aged 3 and up, this headlamp is great for exploring. It's also a fantastic gift for holidays like Halloween and Christmas. You'll receive the Triceratops headlamp, 3 AAA batteries, and a screwdriver. If you're not satisfied, please contact us for a solution. What we like. This headlamp is designed with a cool Triceratops shape and offers multiple light modes, including a fun, roar sound. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit for both kids and adults. If you like the outdoors and need a fun and functional light source for camping or exploring, you should consider it. What people say. The dinosaur head looks so cool when the light turns on. It really feels like a Triceratops is shining a beam from its mouth. The headlamp is super comfy to wear, and the strap adjusts easily so it fits even the littlest paleontologists. The light is bright enough for camping trips or bedtime exploring, but not too strong for young eyes. Number 3. Dinosaur Fossil Dig Kit, Explorer Kit for Kids. Embark on an exciting excavation journey with this kit. It allows young explorers to become real paleontologists. They can dig and discover hidden dinosaur fossils. This kit includes 12 dino eggs, each containing a unique fossil. The included tools will help them unearth the treasures within. It's a hands-on adventure. The kit comes with everything needed for a complete experience. It includes excavation cards, a torch, and a magnifying glass. They can explore the world of dinosaurs. Introduce young explorers to the world of dinosaurs. They can have fun while learning by matching the fossils to the dinosaur cards. It's perfect for outdoor play. Match each unique dinosaur to its excavation card. Each card includes a story about the dinosaur. This kit is ideal for kids aged 4 and older. This kit is perfect for Easter basket stuffers and gifts. It provides an educational and fun experience. Give the gift of discovery. What we like. This kit provides an exciting excavation journey, allowing kids to dig and discover dinosaur fossils. It comes with tools and educational cards to match each dinosaur. If you are looking for a hands-on, educational activity that combines fun with learning, you should consider this one. What people say. The flashlight is very cute and my son loves it. It is easy for my toddler to use. The flashlight is bright enough to see in the dark. Number 2. Kids glow-in-the-dark sleeping bag. Give your little one something comfortable to sleep on with this sleeping bag. It's an excellent piece for pajama parties, fort building, or movie nights. Make it a fun experience with this kid's sleeping bag. It features glow-in-the-dark dinosaurs, making the night less scary. Made from 100% polyester on the exterior and 100% cotton on the interior, this child's sleeping bag has the right combination of softness and durable quality that lasts for years. This sleeping bag is designed for kids aged 3 and up. It's the perfect size for them to snuggle up in. Gift them with a unique experience even at home using this cool sleeping bag. Click Add to Cart now and wrap it up as a birthday or Christmas present. What we like. This sleeping bag features a unique glow-in-the-dark design with dinosaur patterns, making bedtime less scary. It's made from soft and durable materials, ensuring a cozy night's sleep. If you have a child who loves dinosaurs and needs a comfortable sleeping bag for sleepovers or camping, you should consider it. What people say. Cozy and cute. Daughter loves the glow-in-the-dark stars. Great quality, would buy again as a gift. Comfy and cozy, well made as well. Bought for my 6-year-old grandson. He loves it. Calls it his camping bag. It is super soft and comfy. Number 1. Dinosaur Light-Up Water Bottle, 14 ounces. This unique water bottle features a 3D illusion effect that comes to life with every sip. It comes in exciting themes like dinosaurs and unicorns. With 7 color options and a flashing mode, it's truly one of a kind. Designed for active kids, this glow water bottle combines 3D laser engraving with an LED light base. It's compact and has a 30-minute auto shut-off timer to save battery. The batteries can last up to 40 hours. Crafted from Eastman Tri-10 material, this bottle is built to last and is BPA-free. The spring-loaded push button makes it easy to access, and the silicone gasket ensures it's leak-proof. This 3D glow water bottle is perfect for adventurous youngsters. The carry lanyard makes it easy to take everywhere, whether it's school or camping. It's recommended for ages 3 to 15 years. You'll receive the water bottle, an LED base, a user manual, and friendly customer service. Get yours today and light up their adventures. What we like. This water bottle has a 3D glowing LED design that will catch your child's eye. It's made from durable, BPA-free materials and includes a convenient carry lanyard. If you are looking for a fun and practical water bottle to keep your child hydrated during school or outdoor activities, you should consider it. What people say. Seems to be well constructed and is very bright. We love this bottle, switch on bottom to turn off and the electric light part comes off for easy washing. Leak-proof so far and really sturdy. It feels a good quality, hasn't leaked so far and stands out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.